Hundreds of volunteers are coming together to pack meals for people in Haiti. The fourth annual Hope for the Hungry event is taking place this weekend in Florida. The event brings together families and communities to help those in need. And joining us now is Bryson and Mahari Turner, the founders of Hope for the Hungry. Great to be with you both. Bryson, I want to start with you. It's so wonderful what you're doing for those in Haiti. Can you tell us what inspired you to do this?
Yeah, so going to Haiti for the first time when I was 7 and having the opportunity to go several times after that, kind of what I tell people is there's no way you can go to Haiti and see what you see and then proceed to not do anything about that. So really, it was you see like just the extreme poverty there, and unlike anything you'll ever see in America. And yeah, like I said, there's just no way you can't do something about it.
Yeah, well, what a wonderful thing that you decided to do. Mahari, I want to talk to you about this. If you can explain to us what the food need is like right now in Haiti, how critical is it, and what's needed as far as manpower or volunteers to make this effort a success?
Yeah, absolutely. So the food crisis in Haiti is significant. Nearly half of their population is nearing a food emergency. And so there's so many people every single day that have no idea where their next meal is coming from. And so we partner with Mission of Hope, who has an incredible nutrition program there that works through different schools in the country. And so through food packaging events throughout the country like ours and different partnerships, they're able to feed over 120,000 kids one meal every single day. And so they're doing an incredible job getting these kids fed, helping them get through school, just to be able to overall have that life transformation that helps them break this cycle that they're in.
Important work. And Bryson, I understand this is the 4th year of the event. Are you surprised at how much this project has grown over the years? And also, what's your goal for this year?
Definitely. So, yeah, I started this event with $6,000 that I raised, and it was 20-something thousand meals. And so that being, I mean, we're way, way larger, $6,000. And this year we raised over $100,000. And we'll be packing about 320,000 meals tomorrow.
Wow, that's great. And Mahari, I'm curious that people watching this, if they want to donate or volunteer, is there still time to do that? And if so, how can they get in touch with you?
Yeah, absolutely. We will have 2 packing sessions tomorrow, one from 9:30 to noon and again from 1 to 3:30. And so if people want to hop on our Facebook page, it's Hope for the Hungry Emerald Coast, and they can find a registration link on there. Like Bryson mentioned, we are over fully funded this year, which is really exciting. But we are already looking for towards next year and our goal towards next year. So if people are interested in partnering with us financially, they can also follow that same link, which goes to a donation page where they can help us reach our goal for next year as well.
That's great. You said you're overfunded for this year. Tell us what that means to you to get that much support.
It's incredible. It's humbling. It's incredible to see what a community can do when they link arms together, and different businesses and churches and just individuals in our community that have really just appreciated this cause and have seen the value to it, not only for our local community, because it brings, hundreds of people together to work on a common goal for one day, but it obviously has a global impact as well. And so to see our community really rally around that, to give generously and abundantly and more than we actually asked for, is really incredible.
It is incredible, and it's incredible what the two of you are doing. Thank you so much. God bless you both, and good luck with everything.
Thank you. We appreciate it.